Hi everyone, just a real quick video here to show you what I do to solve one of my main pet peeves. So, you know what I love? Glitter. You know what I hate? Glitter. Probably like all of you, you like the look and the effect and everything, but you hate that glitter gets all over the place. Well, me too. I found a solution that works for me on papers that just have a little bit of glitter on it. Like if you had a whole sheet, this wouldn't work, but on little spots and little tags you might come across or stickers or something and the glitter's going all over. This works for me. Anyway, this is a paper that I got from, I think, Hobby Lobby clearance a while ago. I think it was like 8 cents a sheet. So I got a few sheets because I just really loved it. But I haven't used it yet because of the glitter. So this is what I'm going to do. And let's get in a little closer. Okay. So everything's in my way, but that's okay. So you should be able to see that there is glitter all over it. Yeah, I don't like that. So first thing I'm going to do is take one of these lint rollers, whatever, and I'm going to take off as much of the glitter as I can that's here. And I press lightly because it will tear your paper up if you press real hard. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there is still some. If you can see it, you can roll back over that area again. See, it's so stubborn. So stubborn. I'm going to look at the back too because, oh yeah, it's all back here. I'm going to use a new sheet. If I can find where to tear it. There we go. All right, let's get it off the back too because that will just transfer. When you keep turning it over. Maybe a little vacuum or something would work on this too. Or maybe even a Swiffer cloth or a baby wipe. But this works for me. You know, and you're probably always going to get like 1 or 2 specks, but I can live with that. All right, let's see. So I'm going to wipe off my table first, because otherwise it will just come back on. Okay. So we're going to go back here, and I'm going to do one more. We'll pass over everything. Again, to get as much off as you can. All right. So I'm going to use glossy accents. And I'm going to squirt some out here. Of course, it's probably clogged up since I just used it. Let's stick a pin in it, shall we? There we go. So I'll make a nice little puddle. And it probably will clog up again. So then I use a brush, and I like a real thin angled brush works well for me. So I just take a little bit on, and I don't do a lot. So I'll start here. I'm just going to go down the line. I don't want to get too much off the line because, you know, it might discolor or show a little bit. But right here, I mean, I like the glossy because it helps the glitter still come through. I haven't tried it with something like Mod Podge or anything. That might work. If anybody knows if that works too, please say in the comments, because that would be a little cheaper than this. But you really don't have to use a lot here. So we're going to go all the way around. I'm going to pause this and finish it because you really don't need to watch me sit and do all this. Kind of like watching paint dry, right? Which is exactly what we'll be doing. So I'm going to finish painting all this glitter and I'll be back. Okay, we're back now, and all the glitter has been painted with the glossy accents. It has been dried, and I'm quite happy with how it came out. So you can see on the paper, not too much glitter where it's not supposed to be. I find invariably you will get a spot here and there, but nothing like it would be. So there's none on the hand. From here I'm rubbing on. Didn't get any spots. Oh, maybe I got one. Yeah, I got one, but that's okay. Like I said, you might get a couple spots here and there, but nothing like it was, and it's very workable. And I have already cut it up and used it for a couple tags. One or two in my bird journal that I just finished. So give it a try if you feel like it. If you know a better method, which I'm sure there is better methods out there, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.